Hi friends, good evening. How are you doing? Uh, Today I just would like to speak to you something that has come into my mind. The whole world, we see this 2020 was like a real chaos and unforgettable incidents happened. The corona, COVID-19, economic crisis, so many things are happening in this uh, 2020 year. But when I was just looking back and thinking, something very prominently came into my mind that I would like to share. During this lockdown period, during this corona period, uh, I was in another nation. I just happened to be in another nation, however, I was closely following the global incidents, whatever was happening across the globe. But one thing that has really struck me is something very uh, different, something very, I can say, appreciative, awesome thing that I would like to share about India. You see, when the corona has struck and there was a global pandemic and the whole world was in panic, there were like uh, chaos everywhere. And you see, every country, there's one thing really made me feel proud to be an Indian, or made me feel so happy to think about India. All the countries I saw, or I have at least understood from media, they were doing many attempts, many things in order to save their lives. In few countries, many people have committed suicide by not having hope, by losing hope, how they can survive. It was a big question because people who are like economically strong, it was no problem for them. And even people for like somebody who's economically okay is still okay. But people who are like uh, economically very poor, it was a big challenge for their lives. And I have seen that in few nations, people have committed suicide by losing hope how they can survive in this pandemic. But one thing is really appreciable in India. You see, in India, during this pandemic, the lockdown period, whether it is 3 months or 4 months, or whatever it is, people have come voluntarily out to help the poor, to feed the poor. When I know people like who are like so determined to feed the poor. It is not just one place across the India, irrespective of their religion, irrespective of their caste, irrespective of their uh, circumstances. People came forward voluntarily to bring uh, the kindness out. And if you know, they have many times they had made sure that they would cook and serve the very delicious food and serve hot. you know it's not like, I cooked yesterday and I want to just serve because they are poor. And it's not like that, because people, they made a point that they should provide this food in a very good condition, delicious, served very hot. And we know the labor crisis, the migrant labor crisis. Many people were walking, and if the records to be believed, there were 14 crore people have migrated from south to north. They had walked. They walked by. And you see, I remember one interview that there was one TV reporter. He was speaking to one family. The family did not have shoes, or did not have chappal, sandals, or anything, and their feet were bleeding. And they made the plastic bottle as their chappals, and they were walking. And the TV reporter was in tears, and he said he just removed his shoes immediately on the spot and gave it to that man. What I want to say is, you see, this is one great character of India. I know in other countries, let it be west or east or in any other country, people rush to the supermarkets to gather their groceries. In some countries, people have purchased guns, expecting some social violence to be happen, or that was their anticipation, this was their perception. But people in India, they came forward to lend their hands out for the needy, which was not seen, as far as I know, in any country. This is the greatness of India. There is a great humanity in India, in the hearts of people, that when anyone is in need, people have come forward to help them out, not thinking what to happen to them. For example, even in the middle class people who were having little in their accounts or in their surplus, whoever were helping poor. What if the lockdown continues to be another 1 year? But they did not think all that. They thought people were really in need. They were starving. They were hungry. They were thirsty, and they came forward. They gave clothes. They gave food. They gave money, in whatever way that they could do. And some people have arranged the transport. This is the greatness of India. If I want to say anything, that India stands proud in this pandemic time, I must say this. And the Indian people have hearts, kind hearts, and the humanity what they have is appreciable. It's like awesome, mind blowing. It's a great opportunity for the world to look at and see how Indians have addressed this crisis. When everyone, I don't say selfishly, but it was a natural behavior for them to protect themselves. But in one hand, protecting themselves and their family, and the other hand, protecting and helping our fellow brothers is a great quality. My dear friends, I would like to mention, any divinity without humanity is vanity. Let me repeat. Any divinity without humanity is a vanity. Thank you.